Hey guys, yeah, we have some really exciting news that we are moving pretty much. I think, okay, at the moment, like, my head is all over the place. I'm a mess. Let me chuck my camera somewhere. Okay, that's not helpful. Okay, so I'm a mess at the moment. So this is like the first video I'm filming, but I don't know if this is the first video you guys are gonna see. But basically, Kate and I are moving, like literally like tomorrow. At the start of the week, we were planning to live in this house for like the next like year, and everything's changed. We are moving tomorrow. We are getting a cat tomorrow. Like everything is just, so my head's all over the place. But yeah, I want to do some moving vlogs, so that is what I'm going to do. So it's currently Thursday. We have so much to do. We have to pack up everything. We're not going to be able to move any of the big things tonight, because we'll need like my dad's ute and stuff to be able to do that. But I think we're going to start packing stuff and taking it over to the house. So yeah, I want to film a couple of videos. I really want to film like an empty house tour. I also want to film like me, I want to film like picking up the cat and stuff like that. I really want to film like our first trip to Kmart to get all the essentials, our first grocery trip maybe, stuff like that. You know, homeware hauls, all that good stuff. And like setting up my studio, and then I want to show you guys the house when it's done. But I'm also just going to do a vlog through like all of this, so like it can kind of show you behind the scenes and all that kind of stuff. So first things first, I guess I should start packing up my room. So yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do now. My room is in shambles. I should say our room, Kate and I live here, but our room is in shambles. As you can see, everything is just everywhere. So I'm going to get off this camera and I'm going to go try and make some moves. Excuse the state of my car, it's a mess, but we have started to load the cars up. Kate's got his car. I'm going to drop our first load off. Okay, our first load is done. It's a mess at the moment, but we're gonna get it organised tomorrow, so we might do one more load, maybe. See how we go. I want to show you guys around the house, but I'll do a proper video for that. So okay, I've started packing up the studio now, so we're gonna take this load over. There is still so much to do in here. Like, oh my god, I have so many things. Why did I not think that I had that much stuff? I thought I'd literally be like one load and be done. Anyway, I'm gonna go and dump it now. So we just brought over the first load from the studio. Oh god. But we're getting there. Who knew I had so many things? Hey guys, it is Friday now, so it's the next day. I look like a mess, don't worry about that. Oh my god, this sun is not. Okay, so yeah, we did 2 loads yesterday. We have a super busy day today. I need to find some paint. I need to go to Kmart. We need to pick up our cat. So there's a lot to do, as well as move everything in. So we are about to get dressed. It's 8:40. So we're about to go to Kmart, do all that, and then we will, yeah, I'm gonna do a separate vlog for the Kmart vlog because I feel like I want to do like a little homewares haul and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, but yeah, I'll keep you guys updated throughout the day. Okay, so we just went to Kmart and got some of our stuff. We're still going to need to do quite a few trips, but we just got some of the basics. But I'll put up a separate video for that vlog and stuff. So we're at the cat clinic now. We're just waiting for it to open. Ooh, okay, it just opened then. So we're about to go in. We've had a pretty bad experience with them, which I'll tell you guys about like when I'm sitting down at home or whatever. But we've been pretty disappointed with the way that things have been handled. So we're about to go in. Hopefully in the next clip we have our cat, but we may or may not come back heartbroken. So I'm trying not to get my fucking hopes. Oh, whoops. Trying not to get my hopes up at the moment. But yeah, I'll tell you guys about what happened when we're back sitting down. So let's go find out if we get our baby.
Yep.
Which hopefully we do, because we just bought everything for it. Okay guys, I can't really remember. Well, I've been filming like 3 different videos today, so I can't remember what I said last time. But I'm just going to give you a quick little empty house tour. So this is what you see when you walk in. That's like the lounge room, kitchen, laundry's in there behind that door there. Got like a dining area. We're still not sure what we're going to do in here. Some of my sister's stuff is still here. So then in the hallway, we have toilet in there, bathroom in there. This is, I think this one's going to be my studio. As you can see, it's got all my stuff in it at the moment. So yeah. Cade's trying to get Esther out from under the bed. Oh, she's there. This will probably be Cade's gaming room, I think. And then our bedroom. So we've just vacuumed in here. Just going to start cutting in the walls. Best thing about being a painter is moving into a new house and being able to paint your own house. Because we're going to make the bedroom white. It's currently black. Which it honestly does kind of look cool. They had stuff on the wall, that's why there's things. So I need to fill all that up and then paint it all white. But yeah, in my bedroom I just really want white. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, so I've just put the first coat on the 2 walls. I can't remember if I told you guys, but I'm not doing this one yet until my sister's boyfriend gets rid of his things up here. So that's something we're going to worry about tomorrow. We're just focusing on these 2 at the moment so that we can put the bed up against the wall. We're going to go get something to eat while it dries, and hopefully it dries soon, but it's still quite wet at the moment, so we'll have to see how it goes. But yeah, we'll update you guys soon. Hey guys, so it is the next day now. I look atrocious, honestly. We've just been working, but we went to Kmart again last night. Got a few more things. I put the second coat on the walls, and I also started putting a coat on my studio walls. Esther's doing really good. Come here, baby. She's warming up to us a lot. We slept in the lounge room last night because the paint smell is just really strong. So she slept with us last night and she seems to be warming up really well, which is really nice. Here she is there. Hi, pretty girl. Come here. So she's doing really good. She's so beautiful. She still hasn't eaten or gone to the toilet, which they said it took her about 3 days when she first came to them. Said it took her about 3 days to eat and go to the toilet. So we're just monitoring her. She's been sniffing around her food, so I'm just hoping that when she settles in a little bit more that she will, yeah, eat obviously. But something really amazing happened this morning. Mum and Dad showed up this morning and surprised us with a washing machine. So here it is. We've just chucked a load of disinfectant in it. So it's all good to go now, which was just the sweetest thing ever. It's obviously taken a huge weight off us moving out of like we've only had like bedrooms, you know what I mean? So we don't have any of the big furniture, so for them to do that was just really sweet. I'm gonna start, I bought a shoe rack yesterday, so I'm gonna set that up and start moving some of the clothes into the closet and setting up the shoe rack. So I'm gonna do that now.